Hello students, Mr. Aceros is speaking to you. Today we are going to study the present simple versus the present continuous. The objective is to talk about actions in different times. Welcome to your English class. Okay, so the first part of this class is what's the difference between the present simple and the present continuous and how we use it. We use the present simple tense when we talk about fixed habits or routines, things that don't have change. We use the present continuous to talk about actions which are happening at the present moment but will finish very soon. Compare these two statements. Present simple, I play tennis. Present continuous, I am playing tennis. What's the difference? I play tennis tell us that playing tennis is something that the speaker always does. It is part of a routine or a habit. On the other side, we have the present progressive or continuous on playing tennis. Tells the speaker is playing tennis right now. Soon the game will be over. This is the difference between the present simple and continuous. The present simple, in this case we have the verb to be or another verb. Remember, when we talk about the third person, it's necessary to use the letter S, okay? And here we have the usage to express something that is true. For example, the sun rises in the east. To talk about habits, number 2. For example, I play badminton every Tuesday. Future timetables, our chain leaves at 9 a.m. Okay, so these are some of the usages of the present simple. The present continuous is going to use the verb to be in the conjugation of am, is, or are, depending on the subject, plus the verb plus ing. What's the usage? To describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speaking. Jim is watching television at the moment. Number 2, to describe an action that is taking place now, but not at the exact moment of the speech. John is working in London. Describe an event planned in the future. I'm taking my French class on Tuesday. With the present simple, we say, repeat. In this moment, I need you to help me to repeat with me. Repeat with me. I play tennis.
I play tennis.
He, she, it plays tennis.
He,
she, it play tennis.
she, it play tennis.
We play tennis.
We play tennis.
Fantastic. With the present continuous, we say, in this case, these examples, and I need you to repeat. Repeat with me, please. I'm playing tennis.
I'm playing tennis.
He, she, it is playing tennis.
He, it, I'm playing tennis.
He, she, it
He, it,
is playing tennis.
he's playing tennis.
They are playing tennis.
There, I playing tennis.
Excellent. Let's continue. Frequency adverbs, we use them with the present simple. With the present simple, we use it with frequency adverbs. Here we have some examples. Always, I always read before I go to bed. Seldom, they seldom ask for help. Never, Japanese people never wear shoes inside. Frequently, Michael frequently visits his family. Very good. Time expressions we use with the present continuous. We may use these days. For example, Paul's living in Cardiff these days. And in this case, as you can see, we have the use of a contraction. And what is going to help us the contraction for? So we can speak faster. And it says Paul's living in Cardiff these days. And now, for example, the question, what are you doing now? Nowadays, I think you're smoking too much nowadays. Those are examples of the use of the present continuous. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. And remember that if you have a question, get in contact with me and I'm going to be helping you. Bye-bye.